Hey everybody, welcome back to Wisconsin Acres. You know, a lot of people think you get a homestead, you see this beautiful, glamorous life. Well, it is. You know, you get the joy of raising animals like these goats right here behind me. You get to raise your own animals, you know, or you get to build your own house, have no mortgage or rent. That's kind of exciting. Or you can have solar and produce all your own power. Have no power bills, no electric bills, no utilities. That's kind of nice too. But along with all that excitement comes a lot of fixing and repairing things. So today what we got, the tractor went down on me last week. It needs a new water pump. Water pump came in, so we got to get that fixed. So let's get that changed. We'll get it all back up and running, and then we can get her back to work. Well, we got the old one off. It's pretty bad. So, that's garbage. Here's the new one. You can see, nice and quiet. We'll get this all cleaned up down here. Get the new one put on. Got the wife over there running the chainsaw, doing some cleanup right now from our big mess that we have. She enjoys cutting wood. So I gave her my little old Husqvarna 435. Nice and small for her. Well, the battery died on me, so I didn't get recorded putting it back together. But we got her all done. She's ready to go again. Brand new water pump. Wasn't too bad of a job. Only took a couple hours. Luckily, I didn't have to take the whole front end off. I was able to get the radiator out without taking it apart. So that didn't make it too bad. Well, let's fire it up, see if it leaks. There you go, we got no more leaking. So now we can get her back to work, get moving some of these logs, bunch of brush. Got a lot of land clearing and leveling to do. So that's the beauty of being on the homestead. You always got something to do. Got a few other things to do on the tractor also. Got a new tire here for the front. As you can see, this one here is pretty bad. So that's the next thing on the list to get done. Well, thank you for coming along, getting our tractor fixed. Now we can get some work done. You all have a good day. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.